is a secret that once you know it can change your life. Action comes before motivation. So, by just starting to do an activity, you can find your motivation kicking in. So that means your version 1 is always better than none. So just do it anyways. For example, I don't always look forward for my workout, but once I start it, I'll find my flow. Similarly, for my video recording for EQ 101 hack series, because it's going to be 101 series of videos. So my mind will play a lot of dirty tricks. It'll tell me all possible negative reasons as to why I'm not supposed to do. Stop this, you can watch a movie instead of this, look at the climate, you can have a tea. Who's going to watch this video? There are no comments, there are no views. But once I hit the video recording button, I know I got to complete this, I will do it, and I will find my flow. Simple hack, right? But seems to be complicated and confusing for a lot of people because the so-called perfection syndrome. Many of us, including me, are perfectionist. At least I was. I was stuck by it for a long time because I always want to prepare myself well before any actual event. So I get ready to get ready. I know I can see you smiling. I think I strike some chord somewhere there. But I don't want to blame that attitude too, because some amount of preparation is required. But the key here is to know when to stop. You're watching EQ Hack series, and this is an initiative to help you improve emotional intelligence. My name is Brinda Kalyan Raman, and I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh women achieve freedom of stress, time, and debts using emotional intelligence and digital entrepreneurship as tool. If you found this video useful, leave your comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And I would highly recommend you to go and watch the previous episodes so you will know exactly what we are trying to talk here and you'll be able to connect better. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon to be notified for future episodes. I'll see you next. Bye-bye.